Hi students, welcome to AR Accounting. Today we are going to continue the same question number 3. It's part D, where we have to prepare motor vehicle account and disposal account. In part 1, they are asking us to prepare motor vehicle account, and whenever they ask to prepare any account, they give you a date for the year ended. For the year ended 30th April 2025 means they are asking about the details of the account for this year, that is ending on 30th April 2025. Okay, whenever you have the ending date of an account, first of all get the opening date of that account. If the year is ending on 30th April 2025, when would be this year started? Definitely it would be started at 1st May 2024. We will start this account, motor vehicle account, at the 1st May 2024, and on that date what would be the status of this account? It will be like this: motor vehicle account, on 1st May 2024, balance BD 80,000, means this account already contained our asset that we bought in 2021 of 80,000, and still we have that asset. So it is coming on the debit side. Any asset, any non-current asset that we have for many years, it comes on the debit side each year, okay, as opening balance BD. Now on 1st Feb 2025, what is happening? We are disposing this asset off. So this asset will go to the disposal account at cost. One important thing to remember here is that in this account, the assets account will always contain cost. Value will come at cost, either on debit side or on credit side. We bought this asset of 80,000, and from this account we are disposing the asset that we had bought for 80,000. Other than cost, nothing will be written in motor vehicle account. Remember this point, this is very important. Sometimes students get confused about the asset account. In asset account, it is always about cost of the asset, either on debit side or on credit side. No other value except cost will come on debit or credit side. Asset comes on the debit side when we have an asset, already having an asset, or we are buying an asset. Okay, it will come on the debit side with the at cost, and whenever we are disposing an asset, means we are selling off that asset, we will take it to the disposal account at the cost, at the same price that at which we bought it. We will not write the price for which we are selling it, so it will go at cost. So our account is complete for this year. 80,000 on debit and 80,000 on credit. Debit credits got equal, that's why it will not be, and there is no further balance left. That's why we do not need to balance it off. It's already got nil on both the sides. Okay, next part is, now they are asking in the question that prepare Ahmed's disposal of motor vehicle account for the year ended 30th April 2025. If Ahmed had sold his recovery vehicle to the local dealer on 1st Feb 2025. So this is disposal account, very important, and sometimes students got confused in this account. Actually, this account has a format, clear format, that you guys have to memorize. Just that what items come on the debit side, what items come on the credit side. Okay, the disposal account is a temporary account. Temporary account means that it gets created and then it gets off. Okay, no balance, it does not contain any balance. It just contains the transactions of disposing of the asset, and in the end, if what amount comes as either profit or loss, that is shown in disposal account. Okay, now we will see that we already got a profit or loss amount in the previous part of this question. In the previous video, you have seen that we got profit or loss amount. Now we will show how that amount is reflected in disposal account. Okay, that how we get that amount in this account, how we calculate that amount in the account. We can calculate in two ways, either with the mathematical calculation that we did in the previous part, or through the disposal account. In two ways, we have two ways to calculate profit or loss on disposal of a non-current assets. Now we go to its mark scheme to see this account, that how this account is made. See the entries. First of all, as you know, we credit assets account up. We have credited assets account up against the disposal. So this is the entry number one. Entry number one, that disposal account will be debited against the asset account. At what amount? At what value? Cost. The asset we are going to sell now, this is of 80,000. We are taking it from the assets account and bringing it to the disposal account. Okay, now our asset lies in disposal account. It's not anymore in the asset account. Okay, now if we have finished the assets cost, we do not need its depreciation anymore in provision for depreciation account. This is the total depreciation of that asset for till this date. Till this date, our assets got depreciated to this amount. Okay, it will come on credit side against provision for depreciation account. It means provision for depreciation account will be debited and disposal account will be credited. It is the second entry. Second entry. Okay. Third entry is that the selling price of the asset at what we are selling that asset. This is the third entry. Okay, students, these three entries have these places, they do not change. Asset always come on this side, its provision come always on the credit side, the price at which we are selling, okay, it always comes on the credit side against cash or bank or account receivable, whatever. Okay, there are three options, either bank, cash, or account receivable. If we are selling it on credit, then account receivables name will appear where we are writing cash now. If we are taking a check, then bank will come over here. Otherwise, in this situation, we are selling this asset against cash. We are getting cash debit, and disposal account credit for 35,000. Okay, after these three entries, the last entry is there. It contains only 4 entries, and there are maximum 4 marks for this disposal account, 4 to 5 marks. The fourth entry is the balancing figure entry. Balancing figure means now we will see that which side, after placing these 3 items in this account, we will see that which side is larger than the other side. Here 80,000 on the debit side, and 39 plus 35, almost it is less than 80,000. What we will do? We will write the total that is greater 80,000 on both sides. Okay, after that, from this 80,000 we will subtract these two values. Subtract, minus. From which value? From this value 80,000. What you will do? 80,000 minus 39,040, and 35,000. What you will get? 5960. 5960 is the remaining balance, or the balancing figure. We will write it on the shorter side. Credit side was the short, so we have written 5960 on this side, and there will always be income statement written in front of this entry, and the date will be the year ending date for the income statement entry. Income statement entry is the only entry that can come on the credit side or the debit side. Whichever side is short, income statement will come on that side. If credit side got short, it will come on that side. If debit side got short, it will come on that side. Okay, so only this entry can change its place depending upon the shorter side of the account. If it is coming on this side, income statement is coming on credit side, it means income statement is getting debited against disposal account. It means now we have loss. We are suffering a loss of 5960 on the sale of this asset. Loss. If debit side would be short, it will show a profit on selling of that asset. Okay, so these are all the details about disposal of non-current asset. Hope you have got clear explanation of this asset account and its disposal account and the depreciation process. Okay, if you have any questions, please write in comments of the video, and we have you have a request to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the coming videos. Thank you so much.